Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 49. Move one match to a different position to get another correct number sentence. Now you'll see this number sentence here, and we've constructed it by using matches. 9 minus 3 equals 6. We know that is definitely correct. The object is to move one of the matches to a different position so that we have a completely different and correct number sentence. Now you may pause the video and have a go at this yourself as always. So here's your chance to do that. For the time being, I am now moving on to the next slide to discuss the answer. So have a look. Let's check this number sentence out to see if it's correct first, and let's see where the match came from. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Well, you remember the original sentence was 9 minus 3 equals 6? In other words, we have taken this match here. Remember that match there? That gave us the 9. We took that away and we have placed it there. So the 9 has changed to a 3. The minus sign has changed to a plus sign. And the new number sentence is 3 plus 3 equals 6. And that is correct. I wonder how you went with it. I'm pretty confident you might have done a pretty good job with that one.